Hello there, how are you doing? Now in this video we're going to learn about auto-loading. Okay, so auto-loading is a PHP feature that allows your program to search and load files automatically given some set of predefined rules. Okay, so autoloader is simply a PHP function that gets a class name as a parameter and it is expected to load that file. Okay, so let's see how it works. Let's write this awesome function and let's see how it works. That way we don't have to manually require. Imagine you have a bigger project with lots of files, you would like to do it. Okay, so how does that work? Let's see. So autoloader function to load classes. Okay, so what you do is we start creating a function autoloader. Okay, so this will take class name as a parameter. Okay, first thing we need to do is we create a variable called last slash. Okay, now how do we get the last slash? As you can see, we need to identify all these so that we can get the last one, and the last string will be the class name, right? So first let's identify this last slash using the strpost string position method. Okay, so this method, it will take class name as the first argument. Okay, and then this is where it will try to find the backslash. Now we need to escape the backslash, so we need another backslash as well. Okay, so it will take the class name, find the backslash, that would be the position. Because the counting begins from 0, we need to add 1. Now let's create a class name variable. Class name equals to substring. We will try to get the substring out of that. So we give a class name, and then from where it will begin, where we want to extract this string, wherever we encounter the last slash. Okay, last slash. So that's done. Now let's create a directory equals to str replace. We use this method, and then this one will take the backslash. Okay, and then replace that backslash with forward slash. Okay, and then class name. Okay, so this is how, see how it's working. We give the namespace. Now it will find that out, and then it will take the string out of the class name that begins from this position, and then it will replace that with this one. So this is the normal way of writing slash this path name, so it does that. And then now file name equals to, go to the directory, concatenate, and we do the slash directory which would hold the class name, and then we concatenate and say .php. Okay, so you don't need to memorize this function, you don't need to even write this function, because these days in modern PHP development you would use something like PSR for auto loading. Okay, but it's very good to know how it works, how this auto loading works behind the scene. So it gives you a very good understanding of how it works behind the scene. Okay, so finally what we can do is, now that we have all this, we can require once. Okay, so require once, and then we give the file name. Okay, so now we can comment this out. Now finally what we can do is we can use this special autoload register method that is available in PHP, and then we supply the autoload. Okay, so this way the files, all these classes would load automatically. This function will find out class name. That's how it works. Okay, so let's give it a try. Refresh. As you can see, it is still working perfectly fine. So this is the concept behind the auto loading. Okay, now like I said, you'd use PSR for auto loading in real world, but this will give you a very good understanding of how it works. So this is it for this lesson. Now in the next lesson we're going to talk about inheritance. Okay, so I was talking about extending from parent class to children and all that stuff. So that's coming right next. Thank you very much.